Right there. These. Got some laminated timber panels. They're going to go up there, and they're going to go from this to this. Two of them. They go like that beside each other. Lift up, lift down. Pretty neat. Let's get it done. Alright, so after all that bit of fun, now you're up in a cupboard, having a chat. We're going to have a little going over the hardware that we've got to put in for these. Now, what I'm doing in this cupboard is not typical, well, not the bathroom cupboards. So I actually went into Bunnings and had a look at their caboodle stuff. Up with this hinge kit, a couple of pistons thing. So it's for overhead cabinets inside a kitchen cabinet, just for a single lift. So that's why I've got this here, because I wouldn't be able to cope with such a big cabinet. That looks better. You can open up one and the other, and it looks better. Yeah. So we've got to put these up in here. Okay, and that's got to hold the cabinet and things like that. Now, the issue with buying stuff like this is there's no measurements, so you have to work it all out for yourself, because what this stuff is set up for is for kitset kitchens, so all your holes and everything like that in the cabinets are predetermined, so there's no thinking involved. But when you want to go put something like this in this, you've got to use this. So you have to think about not only where this sits and how it's going to close, because of the way that it closes. So that's going to sit up in their wall, and then that's going to open out like that. So we've got to recess it into our cabinet enough so that it's not seen on the other side. So there's still enough meat. So we've got to router that in there somehow. Get our right offset so that that works when that opens up. So a little bit of trial and error, a little bit of thinking. Okay, and then we also have our little adjustments here in these plates. Okay. I press that thing there comes off. You fix that in to your little spot once you figure out where it's all going to go, and then just clip, clip. Nice easy system. But, like I say, you've got to think about it. And then, as part of our awesome little system, you have your gas strut, you have your side of your little gas strut, and you have the end swivel of your gas strut. So they both swivel on these parts, okay? But, so this is going to be like that. Alright, so we need to find out the right spot for it to hold that up at that point there, and what it's going to be like when we pull down and end up closing this. It shouldn't be too hard, but you just got to think about it a little bit, because of where it's going to go on the cabinet, and when it's going to close up in here like this on the back of the unit. Okay, so you just got to work out all these measurements, make sure that it works when you do it. So that's why we have this mullion here, because you're going to have one on each side of this. But because I wanted to make absolutely sure, and these things weren't cheap, they were about 40 bucks a piece, I just got one of them, so we'll just do one door today. If that goes well, we'll buy another one, throw it in there, and boom, we're done. So yeah, let's do some working out, take some measures, and then get to it. issue there. Already my first hiccup. That's not going to work, that needs to be. There's a bit down there, some history. Those there need to be put on blocks. Cool. That's going to look really, really neat. See that there? That's kawaii. Yeah, that's going to have to be like that. Even another 5 mils lower on the block. So that can open. I don't necessarily like that idea. So I'm going to just do some normal hinges. Because that's ugly and it's not going to work for me. So we're going to adapt things. We're going to use these gas struts and normal hinges, like normal door hinges, and they'll just get recessed into here, just like a normal door on a hinge, open and closing, nice and easy, and we shouldn't have any issues, hopefully. So I've got my gas struts marked out. So our circle one here, that little one, that's going to go there, that's going to clip onto it, that goes onto our door, okay, and that goes there, and pushes that out, brings it back in, easy as. Alright, let's do it. As you can see, there was a couple of little learning curves that we had to do here because I didn't know quite how I was going to do it. We'll fix that on the next one, on this one here. We'll get that right. And then just use a little bit of a bargain paint and then paint this and you won't even know. That's what happens when you trial and error. But that's all good. It's just the fun of hardware when there's no measurements for anything. So we had to figure that all out. So that was a big learning process. As you can see in there, our hinges. Yeah, that just folds in there like that. Simple as. But when you don't know any measures, you've got to figure it out for yourself. Right, let's do this one. There you have it, folks. One panel, 2 panels. Easy as that. Quite nice. Everything lines up. The problem is how to open it now, so I've got to put little temporary handles on there so I can actually open it. Otherwise I'm getting in there with my screws and doing my thing. But that has come up, man.